Hey, this is Truman Murphy, and I want to introduce to you today the new Vigor Low Profile Reel from Cadence. This reel has a GV frame and side plate, which makes it lightweight but yet still strong. The 9+1 ball bearing system is super smooth. The externally magnetic braking system is easy to adjust and precise. The EVA handle knob is lightweight and comfortable, which is crucial when having those long days on the water. This reel is available in a 5:6:1, 6:6:1, and a 7:3:1 gear ratio.